Warmest wishes, Rosa. Okay, this is a card. This is not a question. But if your question is, why are you such an amazing Latin dancer? 咧，我幫你問埋啦。Practice， 自己批評自己，俾人哋批評你，繼續鍛鍊 research， 好問好多老師唔同嘅角度，個 critique， 自己錄翻自己，繼續跳。That's how you get good at Latin dancing. If that was your question, I'm just asking my own questions. OK， 下一個，仲有幾多？仲有好快啫。OK, sorry, I know you guys have to go to sleep and go to work tomorrow.
That's true.
Yes, so 好快。This is by IVW. IVW. Hi Lyman, 2025大計你
大計係咩？
呢個係嚟嘅咩？唔係你嚟㗎。係咩 ？OK， 大計係咩 ？Will a mini Lyman be born？ 我想問你啦，一個 mini Lyman 好唔好啊？定一個 mini Zoe 好啲咧？
兩個都好。
哇，好多 pressure 喎！呢個係其實
as in 無論係咩都好。無論係 mini Lyman or mini Zoe 都好。
OK， 答得好，答等於冇答。
最緊要就健康。
OK， 係最緊要健康，最緊要係夠力量，可以一齊同我行山，一齊同我咁就得㗎啦。When? Don't know. Don't know. But we'll wait and see. Okay, more. Lyman. Sorry, calm 自己。而家12點啦，所以咧我老婆
係12點半。
12點半啦，所以要 quiet down 嘅。對唔住啊。Now this is from Shannon. Hi. Do you have any plans to travel? No, not at the moment. Unless the one in August counts. But I'm not going to tell you where we're going to go. It'll be another place, but not in Azauge. That's where we're going. Thank you, Shannon. Thank you for the question. I will not be in Azau. Or Europe. Or Africa. Ayah. Okay, this is from Polly. Thank you for the cupcake. 我老婆好中意 cupcakes 嘅。
Cupcakes 啊
Sorry.
英文都做。
我老婆中意 cupcakes 嘅。Okay, this is from Polly. 問題有什麼工作想
嘗試
及
唔係啊，嘗試及
係啊，想嘗試哦，有咩工作想嘗試及
未
來有什麼
計劃
嘗試及即係咩 ？I want to have。
Hold on，你要呢個係 and 啊嘛 ，so 有什麼工作想嘗試 ，and 未來有什麼計劃？
啊，有什麼工作想嘗試？有什麼工作想嘗試啊？
嘗試啊，你就有
即係咩？
嘗試。
有什麼工作想嘗試？Have you like I've actually as a kid, okay, I've thought about做消防員 or 做 policeman 嘅。I would want to give it a try. I don't know. There's this. Whenever it's those things, I always feel like 正義 save
一個
the
男
people.
仔嘅一個答案，即係一個小男孩嘅答案。
係 I know. But 有咩？你問我有咩啊嘛？係咪？如果我係退休人士咧，我係想特木嘅。 我想做
即係想做 carpenter。
做 carpenter 嘅，我想 create furniture 嘅，係啦，我想整一個搖嘅馬仔 for 我個細馬仔。
應該係叫小木馬，唔係咩？
我想整一個小木馬 for 我小馬仔。
搖。
And 呢個係咩啊？未來有咩計劃？
有什麼計劃？
Oh yeah，and the party 講咗啦。So the seasons，自己綜藝節目 ，and then pretty soon 有個歌舞劇。So see you then. HBD to you. Happy birthday to me. 身體係咪健康啊？我只想身體健康，身體健康。
身體健康啊！
Oh shoot！身體健康，工作順利。Thank you very much, Polly. Okay， 還有4個、5個。Oh, this is a very nice elephant. I actually really like elephants. I'm not going to show you around my house, but I do have elephant statues and elephant stuff here. Okay. Elephant! Dear Lyman, happy birthday. What's your goal in 2025? From Loretta. Thank you, Loretta. My goal in 2025 is to... okay, so what I will be doing. But now that I will do it, I want to times it by 2. 就係如果綜藝節目 times 2，如果係 TV series times 2，如果係 theatre 嘅 times 2，我係貪心啲嘅啫，係啦 ，so that 你可以見我 times 2。Okay, next one. To Lyman with a face like this. With a hippopotamus. Besides 全民造星5 experiences, what are your most memorable memories since coming back to Hong Kong? Cat. Oh, very nice, very good question. Since coming back to Hong Kong, 我哋結婚啦。That's for me an amazing memory. 擺酒喺香港啦，擺酒 in 馬來西亞啦。帶咗即係我哋啲親人啊，咁樣一齊見啊，見到好多好耐冇見過嗰啲親戚啊，嗰啲朋友啊，我以前嗰個跳舞老師啊 David Sir 啊，見到佢哋即係 everyone in that same room，to me it's just magnificent. It's just really really cool. Yeah, that is one of them. What else? Another amazing experience. 搬入嚟我哋呢個屋啊，係啊 ，because 雖然喺美國咧係，因為我哋第一次搬去，我哋搬咗幾次嘅，但係呢個 experience 對我嚟講 it's pretty special because 即係 it is a big move from 帶啲嘢 from 美國翻嚟呢度 ，and 香港地方細啲，所以唔可以帶晒全部嘢，所以不停係要減嘅。So we had to rearrange a lot of stuff, but now this place feels like home. It feels good. So that for me is great. 仲有咩咧？全部造星I just love meeting fans in 其實 I love meeting fans out in public 嘅。I love seeing that, you know, and everyone 好乖 everyone 係 just 真係搭我膊頭 Hi, are you? 我係邊個？問到你一次 Lyman Yes, very good 我就 yeah, I like that and I love seeing the kids I love, like for me, coming back to go back to KG5 我中學啦我小學啦 Beacon Hill School 啦 I'm able to give talks and presentations to them talking about 我啲經驗啦 somehow being a what is it 即係可以做 I won't call it inspiration but then somehow 俾一個少少 influence 俾佢哋我覺得係一個好榮幸嘅一件事係啦 yeah So thank you for 問我呢個問題 ，Cat。
Next，
OK， 我呢個中文，
親
I was gonna say 親，當係親人咧。親愛的香人澤先生，I just wanna say 呢個蛋糕咧畫得有少少奇怪，但係我唔會 question，因為呢個對我嚟講係心意。
又嚟又
I
走
love it。
音啦，你揀。
Okay, this is from Vivi. Hi Vivi. 如果
當初
冇參加全民造星，你會
今日出咗好多呢兩個字，你諗一諗。
其實
計劃
你會計劃做，我要記下先，計加個10 ，and then